let's have a look at the use of scale maps and diagrams to help us calculate the distance, say for example, between two towns. So what I've done is I've just drawn a very basic map, and there are two towns, so town A, town B, and we're given that the scale of this map is 1 to 25,000. So what this means is that for every centimetre, okay, so every centimetre on the map, okay, so I'll just bring the ruler there, every centimetre on the map represents 25,000 centimetres in real life. Okay, so question is, what is the distance from town A to town B? Now, that's one of the uses of maps. Obviously, if you need to work out a distance, it saves having to go out there in real life and having to use a trundle wheel or something, even though that's something that probably could be done. Maps most certainly make it easier to be able to calculate distances between landmarks or any two particular points in real life. So, first of all, what we need to do is to work out the distance on the map in centimetres between the two towns. So I'm just going to estimate it. Okay, so just so there's two towns there. So I think we can just round it to the nearest whole number. So let's say that the distance on the map between the two towns is 13 centimetres. So obviously you'll need a ruler for this exercise. Okay, I'll just do the solution in a different colour. Okay, so okay, right, is 13 centimetres. Okay, so what we're going to do then is we're going to take the 13 centimetres and we're then going to multiply it by the scale factor. Okay, and the scale factor is that for every centimetre, it actually represents 25,000 centimetres in real life, but we have 13 centimetres on the map. So the distance in real life, okay, you take the 13, we multiply it by the scale factor, so 25,000, okay, and multiplying those two numbers together, okay, we get 325,000. 325,000 centimetres. Now that kind of doesn't make too much sense when we're talking that many centimetres. Okay, so we need to change the unit to something that's a bit more realistic. So generally when we're talking about distances on maps, especially between towns or cities, we generally tend to use kilometres. Okay, so converting 325,000 centimetres into kilometres, first of all, let's convert it into metres. Okay, so 325,000, okay, let's divide that by 100, okay, and that gives us 3,250 metres, okay, and if we divide that by 1,000, we convert it into kilometres, okay, so 3,250, divide that by 1,000, and that gives us 3.25 kilometres. Okay, so therefore the distance between town A and town B is 3.25 kilometres.